Alright guys, so it is 12:35 a.m. and I actually just got back from Walmart because I needed groceries, and pretty much the only place that's open around here at like midnight is Walmart. So I was shopping and I was like halfway done with my shopping. Actually not even halfway done. And I saw this guy. I was by the cheeses. I was getting string cheese, and this guy was like staring at me, and I was like, okay, maybe he like knows me from somewhere since I don't know, like high school or something. And so finally, after like staring at me for a minute, he like comes up to me and he's like, "Are you the new Boston?" And I was like, yeah." And it's always weird when like people come up to me because I guess like quite a few people watch my tutorials, but it never shows my face, so I don't even know how people know what I look like. But anyways, it was kind of weird because I don't know, I just never know what to say. And, and also at the time, the only thing I had in my cart was ground beef and toilet paper. So he probably thinks I'm pretty weird now. But anyways, on with the tutorial where we're gonna be talking about sets. So, what a set is, it's think of it pretty much like a collection of items, but it can't have any duplicates like a list can. So, I'll show you guys with groceries since, well, it's on my mind. I spell that right? Hopefully. Alright, so in order to make a set, it's going to look kind of like a list, except you use these curly braces right here. And let me put a couple things in here. So cereal, for some reason, my pie chart seems like it's it seems like it's lagging a little bit. All right, so cereal, milk. I got some Star Crunches too. I'm addicted to those things. However, when it's really hot outside, if you ever eat a Star Crunch, they taste disgusting, which is really weird. All right, so say we got some beer, or we have to get beer, whatever this grocery list is for. Duct tape. What else is usually on my list? Lotion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add beer again. Now remember that I told you that what we did right here is we made something called a set. That's what this is. However, it can't have any duplicates. Now if you notice, we have beer right here and also beer right here twice. So what happens is whenever we print this out, print groceries, check it out. It prints everything on our list. However, it only prints beer once. Pretty cool. So again, this is actually helpful whenever you make something like a grocery list or any set where it's pretty much useless to have the same item twice. So I'll show you guys, say we actually were making a program where we're printing out a grocery list for like, I don't know, maybe we're making an app where we can store a grocery list online and we can look at it on our smartphone. That's actually a pretty good idea. Anyways, we'll say if milk, and there's some actually some cool things that you can do with sets in, if I can spell, in groceries. So this condition right here is going to return true if indeed milk is in groceries, which it is right now. So we'll say print just something like you already have milk costs. So we'll check pretty much if we already have the item in there. If we do, no need to add it again. So else print something like, oh yeah, you need milk, like a little reminder. I don't know, first thing that popped into my head. So of course we run this and it says you already have milk costs. So again, that is pretty much what a set is, and that's one small thing that you can do with a set. You can check if an item is indeed in it, just like you would a list. However, in later tutorials, whenever we are building like a little more advanced programs, I'll show you guys some other things that you can do with sets and how they are incredibly useful. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.